Hey ST fans, this is T-Wack. I just wanted to show you a little video of the virtual dimmer in action. It's actually pretty cool. This is the virtual dimmer button here, and I'll go ahead and just do the simple on off first. Alright, back off. And then I'll show you what's going on behind the scenes. It's being run by an app, but let's show you what happens when we use the dimmer itself. You watch all the lights dim in unison. There's actually 4 separate dimmers running, all tied to this one virtual dimmer via app, and I'll show you that in a minute. But you can see how they hop pretty quick all together and actually work faster than the dimmer on the wall. Pretty nice. So it's, like I said, it's being run from an app that's connected to this virtual dimmer, and I call it the Dim With Me app. And here you can choose what you want to use for a master, so you can actually use a real master switch. Here I like the virtual ones because it's run so much faster. You can also run regular light switches, so anytime this virtual dimmer goes on or off, the regular switch will go on and off, and then you have dimmers that you want to follow. So as you saw, we had the 4 dimmers running in there. Actually more than that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll take a couple out of this and you'll see what's off. And I'll leave the kitchen nook on, and then I'll take one of the torch lights off, and you'll see what happens. So back on that, update. Alright, we're back there. Let's go back to our dimming. Go. So as we dim those lights, you'll see that it no longer dims the lights that I didn't choose when I applied the application. So you could add what you want. So let's go back to the app, and we'll just turn on the pendant lights, which are the ones on the top of the screen there. So we'll go back to the Dim With Me, back to there, and turn off the kitchen nook, the torch, and we'll just do the pendant lights. Where'd they go? Kitchen pendants. There we go. So back, update. And again, now just the pendant lights on the top of the screen, right there. We can turn them off. We turn them off. We can turn them on. And again, now just those lights will dim. That you see there. So anyway, pretty cool. I'll go back to the app. I'll tie a bunch of lights back to it again. So Dim With Me. And we want these dimmers to follow. Let's do the kitchen nook, the torch lights. So let's set that, update our app. Again, we can go back to our dimmer screen so we get this to display a little better. There we go. And now when we set, you see they're all tied back together. Pretty cool, pretty easy. And we have our off, so they'll go off, our on, and that's the end. Off we go.